Happy New Year, guys. Welcome back to The Bright Cyclist. This just arrived in the post. I tend not to do unboxing videos, but this is a brand new light from Fenix. And I kind of want to just show you what it is straight out of the bag. I don't know a great deal about this light. It really is quite new. Well, that's a very tiny box. It is quite small. Okay, so it's kind of like a commuter-sized single-cell 18650 light. Okay, so we've got instructions. I know they've changed the mount a little bit for this one. This is kind of the more traditional wraparound kind of mount, but it still also has the quick release, so you can there we go, remove it from the bars. Right, USB recharging, micro USB. Got some side visibility there. Oh, and we also have the option to switch out the batteries, which is pretty cool. Alright, what does this say? Notice, please ensure the insulation sheet is removed before first use. Does look like the insulation sheet's in the bottom there. There we go. Ah, it's stuck to me. Okay. Positive, negative. Make sure it's in the right way around. Ah. So we do have the Fresnel lens, which Fenix kind of specialise in. It helps bend the light down towards the road. It gives us this kind of unusual beam pattern. I tend to quite like it though. Looks like it cycles through all the modes. That's not too much of a problem. I think this is more of a commuter market light rather than an off-road light. It's quite nice actually. It's got a good feel. It does have a plastic outer body. Feels like a metal front there. So there's the USB port. It's got a little tab on it so you can tuck it away. Okay, quick look at the bar mount. Traditional kind of wraparound style. Probably should actually go on this way so it doesn't interfere with the mounting of the light. There we go. Oh, it feels nice. It's a good size. I wonder if well, this should fit on the helmet using some of the other Fenix mounts. Let's get rid of that. I've got some side twistability there as well for angling. Not too heavy actually. That should be a nice light to use on the road. Charging cable also in the box there. Usual warranty cards. Huge instruction manual. Okay, 880 lumens on turbo for an hour and 20 minutes. High is 380 for 4.5 hours. 200 lumens for 8.5 hours. 100 lumens for 15 hours. And flash is, well, that'd be forever pretty much. IPX6 rated, which isn't too bad. Only the fully sealed up kind of torches go to IPX8, which is like fully submersible for quite a while. So IPX6 will definitely see it through a lot of rainy, wet riding. Yeah, okay. Well, anyway, it's got a battery indicator, it's got low power warning modes, and, you know, obviously USB recharging and the ability to, sorry, light's gone again. So yeah, USB recharging and the ability to switch out the battery, which is pretty cool for those that are nervous about running out of runtime. So there we go, that's just a very quick and dirty video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and there will be a future review coming of this light. And I will see you next time.